Continuing with the second part of the types of the test, we start explaining to the part knowledge base that we made in Prolog. As we can see and predicate which are related to the answer of the test question with the respective value. Um, the first value is the reference, and the second value is the value of the answer. In the clause, we pass the question and its answer with the comparate which predicate for the second value and the letter x, and will you return of the value for the letter second to Java, and this save of after all the question give a value with the comparate by the list in Prolog. You can see with the total value obtained a portion with the clauses of the Java 2 is for example the 0 and 6 is risk low risk, the 7 and 11 is the silent 11 risk, the 12 and 14 is a moderate risk, and you can see risk something, and high risk is the 21 and 26. Note: we must bear in the question has two identical question for the Java. Identical in Java and Prolog. Since if the change in letter, it will cannot carry out the clause, and will have error consequence. Now, we go to the Java. In the case Eclipse, we can see you enter the window of the application. In the case, click Diabetes, and we operate the window of the test which we proceed to perform. They have question, for example, identifica tu edad o indica tu edad, índice de masa corporal, perímetro de cintura, and procede realize. You can see select option. For example, me, in this case, in the after currently of the server with the process. Click in this button. You can see obtain the answer to the test. Note: it should be noted that this test is based on the Fritzy test. Thank you very much for your attention. Until another video.